Alright guys, I'm going to show you my attempt to organize my cabinet. I'm not really sure. Okay, Joanna really wants a date, and I'm trying to get them open. Please? Please. And I don't really have any rhyme or reason as to what I'm gonna do. But I just know it's not working. I don't like the way it looks. It's not pretty. So we're gonna try to organize this cabinet. I still can't get into these things. I'll be back. All right, first things first. Let's see what we got. So here I have a bunch of smoothie ingredients. We have our boost powder, which is like, it's got vitamin C. It's good to put in like citrusy type smoothies. Chia seeds, brown flax seeds. So I like to put these together and put them kind of in a container together so that like I can just pull it out whenever I'm doing my smoothies. I've always thought about putting these in cute little mason jars since I've got some right now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get some. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of these in a smaller container because I'm going to use a bigger one for my pecans because I got more pecans. So I have an issue. All the pecans won't fit in my medium-sized jar. I've got a solution. Just eat them. Here you go, JoJo. Works, right? Now I can get my lid on. My pecans are in a pretty little jar. So I'm gonna I've got 2 bags split yellow peas. Put it in this half-gallon jar. Real quick. I don't use these because the ingredients, these are gonna go in the trash. I think I made macaroni and cheese at Thanksgiving, and this is the crumb topping. So that's going in the trash. I just got rid of a lot of, hey guys. I got rid of a lot of these nuts. I just kind of put them all in the same jar. So got rid of all these bags right here. Trash. Usually I have more oats. So I would usually use like put this whey protein in a smaller jar and use this for the oats. Expiration 10/25 2019. Trash. Okay, so here's my thought process. I use this blender every day. Usually I have it down there. It's very annoying, but it would just be so much easier just to be like, put it down, you know? This is kind of heavy part. But if this can fit in here, and then I can move these shelves. Hey guys, what guys? So if I move the shelf up and move this one up, because I don't really use up there much, so I can put stuff up there that I don't use. Move them all up, and I can use this here. I think it would be nice to be able to store it at the end of the day, Luke. And then I can get it down easily in the morning. I know, it's not that big of a deal, but it really is. Like, especially when I do it every day. Versus, I gotta get through all this stuff and then pull it up here. I know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna try it. The real question is if I can figure out how to raise these shelves up. Okay, we've got these little flicky things. It shouldn't be that difficult. I say that. Let's see how difficult this is. Let's figure this out. Oh, stop it! Okay, one more. Yes. One down. One to go. I need somebody's help. Yeah, I think so. What do you need help with? You'll hold this. Just kind of push this side down. Keep a pack of brownies for like treats to bring outside our house, like church functions or if we get together with friends. It's just a little box of brownies. So I'm gonna put this up here. We don't usually eat this, but I like to have it on hand. So that's gonna go up there. I already have like half of these long bags in a container over here. So this is just extra Joe. It's extra oolong. We like oolong. Oolong actually takes more calories to drink and digest than it does going in consuming it. When you drink it, it's like a negative. It's a good thing to have. Oolong. What's this stuff called? Oh, you're gonna fall, Joe. Contact paper. All right, so I'm gonna put the other side of this shelf liner on the back of the wall. This paper from Lidl, because it goes on so easy and smooth. What y'all think? The big question is, my blender fits in that big area right there. It looks like it will. This right here, like that. My box of smoothie stuff right beside it. I can put these 2 big jars of oats and split peas. Shelf liner. Look brighter back there. Okay. I found this big old jar that he's bedding needle jar. And it can hold spaghetti noodles.
Yay! Reminds me of Peppa Pig for some reason. They have a jar like that. I don't know why I even thought of that, but.
So I'm gonna put this back here in the corner.
Oh, that's so pretty. I love it.
This is the chocolate. This is the.
Wait, say that again.
This is the cacao or cacao. It's not cocoa, but it's CACOA. And so we make our own hot chocolate out of this.
Oh.
So, but I do not put it in our smoothies. So I think I'm gonna put this up here. I'm trying to keep all my smoothie stuff together. This will actually fit in here. So, I'm gonna do that in here. Because that is the whey protein. Collagen. So,
fit your blenders up here?
Right here, just 'cause I'm gonna be getting this out every day. I'm gonna be getting that out every day.
Everything else on the top, so like seeds, nuts,
Seeds and nuts,
dates.
a couple items that I put in like smoothies and not smoothies. So that's like Trim Healthy Mama stuff that goes into these jars. So like I'll just refill them.
We have brownies and popcorn.
Well, that's my conversion chart.